Hello, so I'm at computer class right now, and I'm just doing this, really trying to do it quickly because I forgot my book, and I need to get D, X, K, L, R, M, Z, and Z, L, W, E, L, F, B, R, K, D, H, M, X, B, X, B, Q, S, F, M, N, D, F, F, N, Q, P, T, J, J, Y. Yeah, I tried. Okay, anyways, I got a B. And that looks really cute. Okay, so next classes are, alright, I need to go get my stuff from my locker. I haven't even gotten a locker yet. Also, I don't want my locker there. No, I'm gonna go get my locker over here because, like, it's black and I need to paint it black. Anyways, yeah, let's just do enter, paint. Let's just get every book in history, read, go to art. I'm going to go to art myself. Okay, go. So we have arrived at art, and I'm waiting to be seated somewhere because it seats me by myself. Okay, so goodbye, bush, book. Alright, so I did this yesterday. Anyways, whatever. So, it's not working. It used to work. It let me do it yesterday. Now it's not. Why? 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 It let me do it yesterday. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna paint this one. Oh, I can't. Okay, never mind. Well, I gotta leave because it's not working. Okay. Okay. So, anyways, as I was saying, I wasn't really saying anything. There's this creepy, I think it was a troll down here. Oh, he's still there. He was going really slow. He was like, oh, oops. And like, it was weird. Okay, so anyways, need to find hat. I wonder if she actually watches anime. Probably not. I mean, like, maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe it's just a choice of outfit. But, you know. Oh, oops, this is my dorm. Oh, no, please don't. Oh wait, what happened to my bedroom? I already claimed it. Let's see who's coming in here. Good, she's not. Anyways, I like to do this because, like, I like to, like, jump on this. Anyways, why do I look like this? I don't know. I just like the, like, hairstyle or something. Let me see. I can change the mask bit. Designs. Red. Swimming class. I forget to put a basic suit on, but I hope I don't fall. Oh no, I hope I don't fall. Oh, oh, I figured it out. I figured out how to do it again. I'm just kidding. It didn't work. It didn't let me go. It didn't let me go. 3, 2, 1, go. So hard over here. I can't see anything. The heck? Bruh! That's so hard over there. Alright, jump. Alright, this is easy. Jump. Alright, there we go. Just need to rotate my camera. I got there by myself. No, I didn't. B plus, okay. Level up. Yeah, I leveled up. Yes, I'm just kind of like here for money and to find like these trolls over here. They're like people who dress up as boys to like mess with some people. Like, oh, I remember. I think those are like, I think that's the toxic like small beat. And then jump, 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 jump. I'm a flying cat. I'm a flying cat. I'm a flying cat. Do 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 do. I'm a flying cat. Okay, so made it to English class. I'm just oh, okay. Yes, I have my book right here. Anyways, beautiful. It's obviously Booty Fall. Until. I don't know how to spell until. I never use it. I never use until. Embarrassing. Embarrassing. Wait, these are the same thing. I wonder if I pressed on that one. Oops. Oh well. It's obviously accommodate. Until again. I never use the word. Okay. So like I only have 15 minutes on this thing and it's been recording for 8 minutes. So yeah, we're just going to go fly some more. But really fast. So gonna collect diamonds. So there's a diamond over here if you didn't know that, and then the campsite, there's a diamond over there. Oh, and there's one here. One like the spring updates here. But like I was kind of disappointed because I wanted it to be like kind of like the old one, I guess, where you got to go into like the bunny's cave or something and collect all the like eggs and then get prizes and stuff. That was I like that better. Sorry, but like I like that better. Much better. Anyways, yes, I'm kid. I'm 10. I don't care what people say, but like I'm 10. Yeah, yeah. There's lots of kids on TikTok. There could be lots of kids on YouTube. There's like billions of kids on YouTube. So yeah, can I like still collect these? Yeah, yeah I can. Alright, let's go slower because you know. Just a bit slower. Okay, collect, 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 and ring. Ring, 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 ring. I think after this it's lunch. So it's like 7 a.m. Fell asleep a while ago. A few hours ago. Yeah, isn't that far from here? But anyways, using science colors, I left lunch. Yes. Wait, F? No. No. Okay, let's just go. Let's just go. I'm not in baking. Let's see. I knew there was something I liked. Spicy ramen. Dump, dumplings. Alrighty. So we got our card here. Pull the lever. I think they had like an update because you can't like pull the black thing and you couldn't pull the black. Dang it, I was gonna bring it up to my room. Anyways, you couldn't pull the black thing because of something. You could only press the pull lever button. I gotta take off my mask, but like anyways, it's royal high. So just eat my dumpling soup with chopsticks, 'cause that's how yeah, anyway. That's how I imagine most people who eat a lot of dumpling soup eat with chopsticks. Eat with chopsticks with everything. Not really, but I can't even change the color because I don't even know. It didn't even make me like cost 2,000 for it. Decorate, see? Like, decorate inside. Pink and purple. I see. I see what it means. But like this pretty section has a Nintendo. I like this. Oh, dang. I did not see that. Okay, yeah. We're just going to do the sporty collection, please. Pink and black, red and blue. Do they have, yes, red and black is what I was looking for. And they have the sporty collection. So they have like the books. They have, I'm pretty sure they have like these sucker candies or something. I don't know. Crown, a bag. Wait, what? No, the sporty collection is gone. Did I have to pay for it or something? Decorate. Oh, I do. Alright. Um, I, nah, nah, it's okay. Let me see if it even saved it. No, okay, so that's okay. That's fine. Oh well. I still want to save my thing. So anyways, I hope you liked my video and have a good day. Bye!